Hey, what's going on? Azisa here. So welcome to my LeadsLeap tutorial for beginners. So today we are going to focus only on the dashboard, and later we will see more advanced elements or tools of LeadsLeap. So quickly here, we'll go over the dashboard here. So that's how the dashboard looks like, whether you are a pro member, or you have a free version of LeadsLeap, right? That's how your your platform, yeah, I mean your dashboard will look like, right? So quickly here, you will see here tutorial, right? So each time that you are in a particular page, if you click on tutorial, you will have uh, the exact information about the page you are viewing, right? So which is nice. So on my right side here, you have a bunch of ads. So uh, for me, it's very important to click on them for two reasons. So first of all, by clicking on an ad, right? So you will have the opportunity to earn credits. So, and each time that you earn credits, uh, uh, your ad will be qualified to be viewed by other LeadsLeap users, right? LeadsLeap members. So your ad will get views. So this is the first advantage, right? And the second advantage here, you'll be able to see what other people are advertising, and most importantly, modeling a particular landing page. So that's a best way to become a funnel hacker, right? So to model what people are doing, not copying, modeling. You see, there is two buttons here. First of all, I ask myself, do I like this? Is this page is appealing to me? Right? So, and then definitely I can try to model it, and make something similar, but original, right? Something that that uh, that is really, that talks about my business, right? So when we click on here, there is a pop-up that's coming. That's there's a pop-up, and then they ask people to put their email here, and we can notice here there is no name. Also, there's no name. It's only email that the guy is asking over here. So this is something that we can really learn from those ads, right? So yes. So in my second video, definitely we'll see how to create an ad, and those ads over here. Each time that you refresh your page, is going to be different ads over here, and when you scroll down, you have uh, some sections that are talking about different aspects of your business. And what is also important to highlight here is when you can mouse over those interrogation marks over here, so you will know what they are talking about, right? So it's a better better way to learn as well, right? So just before we continue, right? So I want to quickly uh, define what is LeadsLeap. So LeadsLeap, basically, it's a marketing system. It's a marketing system. It's a marketing platform, right? That you can build your email list. You can build an email list. You can create some landing pages, opt-in pages, you name it. Funnels. You can create you can track your links, right? I don't know if I have said that before. You can yeah, your list, right? So you can track your links, right? So let's take these links for example, and then I can go to statistic over here, and I can see my stat over here and where my clicks are coming from, the country, etc. You see, so um, the tracker is very nice, and you can create also a rotator, right? So uh, let's go back to the dashboard. It's very important to fill up your profile. You want to put a nice bio about yourself over here. You can uh, either if you have a blog, you can add it, or a YouTube. So it's only one per line, right? So, and how people will contact you, either YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, you know, and you can add also your social. You can add your social review. All you need to do is to go over here and you add your top recommendations and your social reviews. So you can also earn with you can also earn with with Leadsleap, right? So and let me show you something. For example, uh, as a okay, uh, okay, I will do that later. I will do that later. Uh, okay, so what I want to show you is here. So Leadsleap here, you see, you guys are seeing the rank, you know, in US globally. You are seeing the rank over here, and how many visitor per month. That's uh, that's a ton of traffic here. 674.7 thousand visitor per month, right? So and most of people are from the US, US, and everywhere in the world. So people are using this platform. So there is traffic with this platform, right? So I guess I went. Um, we have seen everything about the dashboard, right? So please feel free to ask questions if you have some. So okay, guys, we are at the end of my very first video on Leadsleap, and my second video on Leadsleap will be on how to create ads, right? How to create ads for on Leadsleap. Okay, so see you in the next video.